Hi guys, today we will be unboxing the VIVITAR AEROVIEW, and while unboxing this I'll make comparisons to the VIVITAR AEROVIEW. So the Skyview we are unboxing, and we'll make some brief comparisons to the VIVITAR AEROVIEW. Okay, let's get ahead with it. Cut this. Cut this real quick. The boxes are pretty much the same. If you've seen the box that the AEROVIEW comes in, it's pretty much the same as this, but of course the specs are different. I'll have to make another video on the main differences when it comes to the specs for both drones, but for now I'm just gonna unbox this one like I said earlier. I'm not trying to repeat myself too much. Just gonna unbox this one and make a brief comparison. Quite a big difference between the two. Almost the same size, I assume, because this one has batteries in it. It's a little bit heavier, but once I put the batteries in this one, it should be the same. But I've seen that most of this, like this head mode, return to home button, and orbital shots that are out up front on the VIVITAR Aero have been put up here. And now we have the trim and the speed on here. So those are the main differences. In essence, basically the same. You still have the takeoff and landing button underneath. So pretty much the same. I'll assume this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. This extends high. I believe it has this as kind of, we put and we got camera. Basically looks almost the same, but this one is the one for the Skyview, sorry, is 1080p, which is a little bit stronger than the one for the AEROVIEW. Okay, camera looks similar. I think the weight is the same. Let's see what's here. Propeller. Sorry, screwdriver, propeller, and that one. The battery. The battery, from what I see through here, it's a similar battery to this one, but the thing is, I just added this casing all through, make it look like nicer and neater. But I think it should be the same battery from what I see, and from the fact that both of them have almost the same flight time, so if not the same flight time, so I assume it's the same battery that this one has just been put in a case. Looks more compact. Design wise, well, you make your pick, but for me, I'll go with the Skyview, but some other people might like that AEROVIEW, but I think design wise the Skyview is takes the day. Okay, got the landing gear and the protection. Oh, okay. The good thing about the Skyview is that this one, the landing gear doesn't come with screws, so you don't have to screw this in. This is, you just put it in and then twist it. Same with this protection, propeller protector. It doesn't come with screw, so with the AEROVIEW, it was a little bit tricky putting those screws inside here and then tightening them up. It takes a while, but I would assume these other ones are much more easier. And same with this protection. With this one you have to screw them in, but with this you do not have to screw them in. So in essence, they've made this a little bit easier to assemble, which I'll make a video after this one on how to assemble it. And I assume it's not really gonna be difficult to assemble it. And okay, so there we go. That's the unboxing. Let's see if I've missed anything else on here. No, everything. Yep, that's all that came in it. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. See you on my next video. All right.